Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello, dear viewers. I hope everybody would be fine by the grace of the Almighty Allah. So today in this video, I'm going to just do the unboxing of Techno Pop 3 mobile. I want to share with you the knowledge about this mobile's specs and all that. It has been authorized by PTA as well. So see this smart Android phone Pop 3, Techno Pop 3. It's quite an economical brand. Before we proceed, I want to remind you, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. I hope you must have subscribed to my channel by now and have clicked the bell icon as well. So let's go. Just open it and check it out. What is it? So it's quite a smart mobile phone and the specs are right in front of you. It's a 16 GB ROM mobile. Let's explore what we've got in the box. First of all, this is the user manual, and as all the mobiles and all the devices have this user manual, you can go through it. Then some safety informations are also provided in the box, and then there is one more interesting accessory, that is the cover, and this cover is mashallah very smart. So you can cover your mobile with it quite easily. So see, it's nice and glossy cover. And what else we have got here? Let's see. This is, yes, we have got some earplugs as well with the Techno Pop 3 mobile. And what else we have here? We have the battery of the mobile, and we would be later on installing the battery. You can see I'm not quite a very technical person. I'm just sharing with you the review. It's an economical mobile or mobile, whatever you can say. So you can purchase it easily in rupees 9,000 in Pakistan. Maybe at some places you can get it at a little higher or a little lesser price. So we have the data cable, the charger, and these earplugs here, and the battery, of course. So in this price range, I think it's quite an economical phone to have, and with all the basic features, like you can see 8MP front camera, 5.7 inches screen, fingerprint sensor, face unlock, 2.0, and 3500 mAh battery. So in this price range, Techno Mobile is providing you some nice option to purchase. If your budget is less, it's a good mobile to purchase. Its color is champagne gold, and it's available in blue and black as well. So you have some options again of choosing your favorite color. Let's open it now. To install the battery, you have to open it from at the bottom. There is an opening for that. You open it and then install the battery quite easily inside the mobile. Then we have also got the different places for installation of the SIM and the SD card. You can see right here SD card, and this one is the place for the SIM. So now let's check out the other features of the mobile. Let's now turn it on. Just check it out. The mobile is on now. and you can see all the basic features would be appearing soon. Connect to mobile network, and then many other usual features like date and time. You have to adjust according to your time zone, and then some other requirements you have to fulfill to set it up, and then your mobile would be ready to be used. Stop. So you would enter your name, and here you got the other option of fingerprint unlocking, as is given in all the good mobiles these days. Then you have three options: fingerprint plus pattern, fingerprint plus pin, and fingerprint plus password. You can choose any of the three options and choose the region, and then you are all set to use the mobile. So viewers, I hope you like this video. If you do like it, kindly give it a thumbs up. Don't give a thumbs down, please. And if you are new to my channel, then kindly subscribe to my channel, so that I would be encouraged to share some more informative, knowledgeable videos with you. Now in the end, just check out the camera. It has got quite a nice camera, an average camera for day-to-day pictures. Like, look at this result of the camera. So it's quite an average, nice and economical mobile that provides you all the basic features. See you next time with some other informative upload. In the meanwhile, take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.